How to add a status in Line. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you want to add a status so that your friends can see what you're up to online, then here is easy and quick guide. First of all, open up the Line application on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. From the home page, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. And now on the next page, you'll see your display name, and underneath your display name, you'll see enter a message or enter a status message option. Tap on that, and now you can start typing in your status. You can write something fun, motivational, or just a quick update about your day. Once you do that, click on the save button at the top right corner, and you have successfully added a status in your Line account. Now your new status will appear on your profile. You can update it anytime whenever you feel like sharing something new. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.